Hey, so this morning, before I go get my workout in, I just want to share with you guys something real quick, man. There's going to be a lot of people out here, that's promoting, things that they really don't do in life. There's going to be a lot of people out here trying to promote this entrepreneurship to you guys, being a business owner and all that good stuff, man. But hey, if you're not doing that full time, how can you promote something that you're not even doing full time? There's a difference between getting paid on a 1099 and getting paid on a W-2. Hey, so check this out, man. So today I'm gonna just put you guys up on a little bit of game real quick before I start my workout this morning. Man, never listen to people who have never traveled on the path that you're trying to travel on. There's going to be a lot of people out here to tell you, and try to discourage you from doing things in life, and pretty much just trying to discourage you from not, doing the things that you want to do. A lot of these people out here have never done the things that you want to do, so why listen to them? So for me, I remember back in the day when I was in high school, I had turned 18 years old. My senior year, and I was about to graduate high school. I went down there and I joined the military. I didn't need my parents' consent. I just went down there and I did it. My parents tried to talk me out, of joining the military. People tried to talk me out of joining the military. It was 2005, and we was in war, man, still in war, which is crazy, but the war was, pretty much fresh. And I didn't listen to them, and I'm glad I didn't listen to them, because I wouldn't be who I am today with this discipline. Waking up in the morning, still getting to it, still going to the gym, still getting my workout in, I mean, this is because of the military. It's because of that discipline, because I wasn't doing it before I joined the military. So like I say, if I would have listened to people tell me, don't go to the military, I wouldn't be who I am today. If I would have listened to people, that was telling me while I was in the Navy, man, why you getting out the Navy? What you gonna do out there? Ain't nothing out there in the civilian world, man. You making good money now. You know what I did? I got out in 2010. I went to college because I knew I didn't want to be enlisted. I was looking around at all these officers in the military, and they was making all this money, but they wasn't doing nothing. It's like they was just the planners. And I'm like, I got to get to that point in life where I could kind of sit back a little bit and just control what's going on, but make more money than the people that's out there getting dirty, the people that's out there executing. So you know what I did in 2010? I got out the Navy. I got out the Navy, moved to Orlando, me and my friend Antoine, and I started college. I started Army ROTC, and in 2015, I commissioned as a second lieutenant, which is a milestone, which is something that a lot of people, can't do. It's a small percentage of people in this world, that's going to be officers in the military. So I commissioned as a second lieutenant, and then in 2017, I start my business. I was like 20-something years old. How old was I? Like 29, 30 years old or something like that. First lieutenant, on my way to captain in the Army. And I pretty much just made the decision, man, I'm getting out. I was making six figures as an Army officer. You know how many people tried to discourage me from, becoming a business owner? Man, you making six figures in the military. You getting TRICARE and, these health benefits, and I'm just like, and that's all I'm going to make. I might get bumped up from time to time once I make captain and once I make major, but those pay increases are not nothing. I could make those pay increases on my own now every month because it's up to me. When I tell you guys that CEO don't mean Chief Executive Officer to me. It means commit, execute, and be obsessed. I am obsessed with this. I am obsessed with getting out here and making money. I am obsessed with growing my business. And I'm gonna execute because I learned that in the military. And I'm gonna commit because I learned that in the military. So I'm taking everything I learned in the military and I'm converting it over to my business life now. So like I tell you guys, do not listen to people out here that's promoting entrepreneurship if they're not doing it full time. Right now, what time is it? It's like 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm not in a rush. I am not in a rush right now. I just got to the gym. And I got a 9 o'clock conference call, a virtual conference call with a client this morning that I'm going to do from the gym on my iPhone. Start fact-checking people out here. Fact-check me. I'm going to tell you right now. I'm going to give you guys, off the top of my head right now, how many different ways I make money. And I'm not doing this to ever brag and boast to you guys. I just started this YouTube thing 4 months ago. I do not have an Instagram. I have a Facebook page that I created about 4 months ago too that I don't even log into. I created it so I could start promoting my book. And after I promoted my book on there, when I first released my book, I don't log on there anymore because I do not need it anymore to promote my book because I do it in other ways. So when I tell you guys this, I tell you guys this for motivation because if I can do it, you can do it. So I'll tell you guys real quick, and you can fact check this on how I make money in multiple ways. Number one, I got my own trucking company. Number two, I got a lease-on company, which I have websites for both, MC numbers for both. I broker freight, which I have an MC number for. I created a quick ebook that's passive income that you could click the link below to go download it if you guys want to learn how to start your trucking company. And I'm going to tell you, it's going to take you from not knowing nothing to taking you to knowing something. Number 5. If I was on 4 or 5, I done lost track now because I'm talking, but I'm going to go to 5. Click the link below. You could download my memoir, my book that I publish independently on Amazon. You could download that right now. Number 6, I'm back. I'm going to use one hand again. Number 6, I train people how to be dispatchers and brokers. That's 6. Number 7, I consult people. I have a consultation and a mentorship. Everything, you could click the link below. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Fact check me. That's 6, 7 things right there. And that ain't it. I got a property that's generating passive income. That could be 7 or 8. I got more than that too. I'm not in a rush. I am not in a rush. But I am in a rush for this generational wealth. That's what I'm in a rush for. But I do not rush in the morning. Never. I don't know if y'all listen to rap music out there, but my 2 favorite artists is Starlito and Don Tripp. Straight out of Tennessee. Love them 2 cats. Don Tripp said, I ain't never on time and I ain't never in a rush. Shout out to him. Think about that. Think about that. Hey, so I'm going to give you guys another opportunity out there for you guys out there who are aspiring to start your own freight brokerage. send me an email at broker@manniestrans.com, and I'm going to send you an email back with some good information. I'm going to train you guys so you guys could come under my brokerage to gain experience and to start your own brokerage. I'm going to teach you the game. And during the process, while I'm teaching you the game, I am going to, teach you the game. I'm going to train you. And then once you feel comfortable, about starting your own and getting out, you could take your actual customer base with you. You could take your clients with you. I ain't gonna make you sign a non-compete contract, none of that. I'm about to teach you the game. So if you're interested in becoming a broker and starting your own brokerage and you wanna gain some experience and come broker freight under my MC and gain some experience and become a broker's agent for however long, it might take you 2 months or it might take you 2 years. But whenever you feel comfortable getting out there and getting your own, like I say, hit me up, broker@manniestrans.com. Hey, I always tell you guys out there, man, you guys still got a few days left for this 30-day challenge to win that $500. I haven't received too many emails on that, Hey, that's $500, man. That should be getting you guys out there motivated. Hey, tell me how I can make $500 right now. Somebody tell me, how can I make $500 right now, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to go get it. Everybody like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate each and every one of you. Everybody be great out there.